The left track has locked up.
Not good, not good. I've got no drive in my left track right now, and I'm just hoping it re-engages.
What's going on, Dave?
It's locked up solid.
No.
Can't get it. Correct. They won't even budge, Todd. And it's going click, 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 so it's done.
The 400 is Jack's pride and joy.
Just can't take it when it's, you know, running it wide open and stuff. You got to be careful with these things. Let me try it.
Okay.
Good Lord. Did the D8 pull it out?
There we go.
The D8 is the only piece of equipment they have with enough power.
Let me try to get it far
You
out.
want to try to hang on to him? Hold it. Back up. I'm gonna Jack. Jack. Easy, Jack. Easy, Jack. Whoa. You gotta bend the tank. Easy. Go ahead and pull.
Not doing it.
Hang on.
Okay, hold on, Jack.
If they can't get the 400 out, they can't mine. And if they can't mine soon, there is no chance of hitting their goal target.
It's locked up solid.